Hello guys, I do apologise for the noise. They are building new houses over there annoyingly. But right now I'm in my garden. Oh, there's my garden. Now I'm going to show you, give you a tour of my workshop because a viewer asked me to, so I just thought I would. So, welcome to number 19 Pump House. Here it is. It's not too big, but it's quite nice. Beware Steam Fanatic, that's me. This is my green machine. Yep. Now, number 19 Pump House. I will not explain to that. I'll put it away because my house is a number 9. It's a 19,000 my street. Pump House. I work at Pump House. Number 19 Pump House. Welcome to number 19 Pump House. If you have a light up here, that doesn't work. These are some posters. So we've got the Hornsby Safety Water Tube Boiler, the Newcomen engine, Bolton's engine, Ruston Hornsby oil engines, Hornsby Ackroyd's oil engines, and we've got an Mama poster. Right now I am steaming my fire engine. Let's see if it'll run. No, not enough pressure. Fire's probably gone out. Now over here we've got the bin, and then we've got like a photo of the gas and gypsies cottage, obviously. A chalkboard. Then down here I've got my Mallard SP2, my let's go D100E, method spirit, sticks, candles, pipes, fillers, everything. Got the tablets down there, my water. And we've got here a box. Then here we've got the D16. Obviously you all know the D16. There she is, D16. We've got some boxes here with things in. Then we've got the traction engine. Then the drawers. At the bottom, I'm going to turn the light on for this. Yeah, that's better. So at the bottom here we have my SE1. Then up here we have the instructions for the traction engine and an oil can, but that oil can's sadly broken. Then here we've got a little toolkit, a rolling row for the traction engine, an old Sterling engine which is not working at the moment. This Sterling engine which you'll recognise, but sadly it has broken. You see the things come off there and the glass is shattered on it. We've got this Sterling engine which I found out how to run, so I'll try and run that one day. And a filler. So that is number 19 Pump House.